The install failed, could not download installation information, error with code MD-DL-404 is a common issue with the Epic Game Launcher, and while it's frustrating, it's usually fixable. The error indicates that the launcher is having trouble downloading the necessary file to install or update a game, which point to a problem with your connection or the launcher itself. Here's a breakdown of a solution to get you back on track. From the simplest to the more involved. Step 1. Check your connection and restart. Restart your router. This is a classic first step for any network issue. Unplug your router for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Restart the Epic Game Launcher. Close the launcher completely by right-click its icon in the system tray, bottom right corner of your screen on Windows, and selecting Exit. Then open it again and try the installation. Run as administration. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher's shortcut and select Run as administration. This can sometimes resolve permission issue that prevent file from being downloaded. Step 2. Clear the launcher's cache. The launcher's cache can sometimes become corrupted, leading to download errors. Clearing it can often fix the problem. Close the launcher. Make sure the Epic Game Launcher is fully closed. Open the Run dialog. Press the Windows key plus R at the same time. Type a command type. Type %local app data % and press enter. This will open a folder in File Explorer. Delete the cache. Find the folder named Epic Games Launcher and open it. Inside, open the saved folder. If you see a webcache or webcache _4147 folder, delete it. Restart the launcher. Launch the Epic Game Launcher and try the installation again. Step 3. Troubleshoot your network setting. Sometimes your computer's network configuration and interfere with the download process. Disable firewall antivirus. Temporarily, your security software might be blocking the launcher's connection to Epic server. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall, and then try the download. Remember to re-enable them immediately after to keep your PC secure. Change your DNS. Switching to a public DNS server can sometimes improve connection stability. To go to your network setting and change your DNS. Primary DNS 8.8.8.8 Google. Secondary DNS 8.8.4.4 Google. Disable proxy setting in the Epic Game Launcher. Go to setting and make sure the use proxy box is unchecked. Step 4. Verify game file if this is an update. If the error occurred during an update, it could be due to corrupted files. In the Epic Game Launcher, go to your library. Click the 3 dot next to the FORTNITE title. Select Verify. This will check for and repair any broken file. Step 5. Reinstall the Epic Game Launcher. If none of the above steps work, the launcher itself may be corrupted. This is a more drastic but often effective step. Go to your control panel or add or remove program with Windows 10 and 11 settings. Find Epic Game Launcher in the list and uninstall it. Go to the official Epic Game website and download the latest installer. Run the installer and try to install FORTNITE again.